Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bell CB. We're going to do a tune-up report today on the President Andy. I think this is our first one of these. This is for John. John's in Texas. Okay, John. I'm going to start with the stock mic. I'll show you how it sounds, and then I'm going to switch to my noise-canceling mic so we don't have too much feedback issues with our testing. How about let me do that, man. I'm going to put my camera up here next to the radio so that you guys can hear just through the mic, not me.
Okay, this is a stock microphone. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And this is the A-Static 636. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio.
Okay, that microphone's a little more conducive to talking on the camera and not having any feedback, so I'm going to stick with this one for the rest of the test. Okay, right up here, it's my carrier. I turn it up a little bit, turn it up to 5. And over here on peak power, got a 50 watt slug. We're coming in just a little over the 20 mark right there. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Okay, there you have it. There's no other modes in the variable power system. I'm going to show you than on the air. Damn auto scratch this one every time. Oh yeah. How about a 19? Can I get a radio check? How about it out there on 19? Anybody hear my radio? Come on, break. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good one.